One of the most impressive things I've seen recently didn't come from Apple, Meta, or any of the usual tech giants. It came from a quiet startup in Finland, and what they just revealed could completely change how glasses work forever. The company is called IXI, and they've unveiled smart glasses that can automatically adjust their prescription in real time based on exactly where you re-looking. No buttons, no manual switching. Just instant vision correction that happens naturally as your eyes move. If you've ever worn glasses, especially bifocals or progressive lenses, you already know why this is such a big deal. Traditional lenses force you to adapt to them. You have to tilt your head a certain way, look through a specific part of the lens, and avoid the blurry zones just to see clearly. IXI is flipping that entire idea on its head. Instead of your eyes adjusting to the glasses adjust to your eyes. The way this works is honestly fascinating. Inside the lenses are layers of liquid crystals, combined with eye-tracking sensors. Tiny LEDs send out invisible infrared light toward your eyes, and sensors called photodiodes measure how that light reflects back. From that reflection, the system can instantly tell where your eyes are focusing. Once it knows that, the lenses dynamically change their optical power to match your gaze. Think of it like autofocus on a camera but for your eyesight. Autofocus completely transformed photography by removing friction and making great results easier to achieve. IXI is trying to do the same thing for vision correction. You look far away, the glasses adjust. You glance down at your phone, they adjust again. It all happens automatically, in real time. To understand why this matters, you need to look at how current multifocal lenses work. Bifocals are split into two sections: distance vision at the top and near vision at the bottom. Progressive lenses smooth that transition, but they still have narrow sweet spots and blurry peripheral areas. They also take time to get used to, distort your side vision, and cost significantly more than standard lenses. With IXI's approach, there are no fixed zones. Instead of forcing your eyes into predefined areas, the glasses create a much larger usable field of clear vision. The prescription follows your gaze, meaning most of the lens behaves like perfect vision all the time. That's the promise. At least, and if it works as intended, it could make traditional bifocals feel outdated overnight. Of course, this kind of technology doesn't come without compromises. These glasses need power, which means they need to be charged. Yes, it's another device to add to your nightly charging routine. But IXI has clearly tried to make this as painless as possible. The charger is magnetic, and the charging port is hidden inside the temple of the glasses. There's no bulky module sticking out and no obvious tech look. Even more impressive is the weight. The prototypes reportedly weigh about the same as a normal pair of glasses, around 22 grams, which is under an ounce. That's incredibly light, considering there's a battery, sensors, and active lenses inside. From the outside, these look like completely normal glasses, which is actually one of their biggest strengths. In fact, they look so normal that you could easily mistake them for a regular pair. Grab the wrong glasses on your way out the door, and you might not even realize you're wearing advanced smart eyewear. But honestly, that level of invisibility is probably a win. Smart glasses have failed before because they looked awkward or screamed tech. IXI's design blends in, and that's exactly what most people want. Now, there is one important limitation worth mentioning. While the system aims to use as much of the lens as possible, the sharpest focus is still concentrated in the center. Toward the edges, things become slightly blurred. That's where the liquid crystal layer ends. So, no, it's not flawless edge-to-edge clarity just yet. That said, the usable clear area is still much larger than what you get with bifocals or progressive lenses. Instead of hunting for clarity, you're naturally seeing clearly where you're already looking. For most users, that alone would feel like a massive upgrade. Safety is another big concern, especially when it comes to driving. And this is where IXI made a smart decision. The glasses include a fail-safe mode. If anything goes wrong, whether that is a malfunction or a dead battery, the lenses automatically revert to a default distance vision state. That means if you're driving and the system shuts down, you can still clearly see the road ahead. That's a critical detail, because these glasses aren't just designed for reading or working at a desk. They're meant for all day, everyday use. Driving, walking, working, using your phone. The company is currently testing how the system performs in different environments, including temperature changes, humidity, and fogging. Those factors matter a lot when you're dealing with optics and electronics this close to your eyes. Right now, these glasses are still in the prototype stage. More testing is needed, especially around safety and long-term reliability. But IXI is aiming to launch within the next year, starting in Europe. Since this is a Finnish company, manufacturing will begin in Finland before expanding to other regions. After Europe, the next step is FDA approval for the United States, followed by a wider global release. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but it's safe to assume the smart version will cost more than their standard glasses. Early technology almost always comes at a premium, and this will likely be no exception. At launch, the glasses are expected to come in 2 to 3 different frame shapes, with multiple widths for a bit of customization. It's not a massive selection, but for a first-generation product focused on breakthrough technology, it makes sense. The bigger takeaway here is this. For the first time in a long time, someone is genuinely rethinking how glasses should work. Not by adding screens, cameras, or notifications, but by solving the core problem of vision itself. If IXI can deliver on this promise, these won't just be smart glasses. They'll be better glasses. And that's the kind of innovation that actually matters.